Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download make.com and automate document parsing with AI, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with downloading make.com, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in make.com. Once the page loads, look for the download option prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the download button to begin the process. After the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Locate the make.com installer file and double-click it to run the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once installed, launch the make.com application. Now, let's automate document parsing using AI. First, create a new project by clicking on the New Project button within the application. Next, select the type of document you want to parse. Upload the document by clicking on the Upload button and navigating to your file. Choose the AI model you wish to use for parsing. Configure the parsing settings according to your needs. Make sure to specify the fields you want the AI to extract from the document. After configuring the settings, click on the Parse button to initiate the process. Wait for the AI to analyze the document and extract the specified information. Once parsing is complete, review the extracted data for accuracy. If everything looks good, you can save or export the parsed data. Now that you have automated document parsing with AI, feel free to explore additional features within make.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.